The Lord is telling you, serve me faithfully, and I will make you extremely fruitful. Come on, receive that in your spirit. You have to receive it. Serve me faithfully, and I will make you extremely fruitful. That is in the book of Genesis. You need to faithfully serve the Lord. Kung ano ang pwedeng serbisyo natin pwedeng gawin sa Panginoon, gawin natin sa kapanahonan nito. Not money, your life. Not money, your body. Use it for the glory of God. Because when you use yourself for the glory of God, the Lord will anoint you. The anointing makes the hard easy. Lahat ng mabigat, gagaan pag anointed ka. Lahat ng mahirap, magiging madali kapag anointed ka. Listen to this. Lahat ng mahirap sa trabaho mo, gagaan kapag anointed ka. Lahat ng masikip na daan, luluwag kapag anointed ka. Lahat ng imposible, magiging posible kapag anointed ka. Sino dito nangangailangan ng anointing sa kanyang buhay?